Your favorite plant is dying. The leaves are turning yellow, the stems are soft, and no matter what you do, nothing helps. You have tried sunlight, fertilizer, even repotting, and still, it just sits there, lifeless. But here's something almost no one talks about. A forgotten kitchen spice, buried in the back of your cabinet, might be the secret to bringing it back. It is called ground fenugreek. You might know it from cooking. It has a warm, nutty smell. But in the garden, this spice is a complete game changer. When mixed with water, ground fenugreek turns into a powerful natural plant booster. It awakens roots that have gone dormant. It strengthens soft, falling stems. In some cases, it can even bring a dying plant back to full health in just days. Here is why this works. Fenugreek seeds are packed with natural plant hormones, proteins, and minerals. When they are ground and soaked, they release compounds that trigger root activity. That means even if the roots have slowed down or stopped working, this mixture gently wakes them up. At the same time, it sends a signal through the plant system telling it it's time to grow. But here is the best part. It is cheap, totally natural, and incredibly easy to use. Let me walk you through it. Take 1 tablespoon of ground fenugreek powder and mix it with 1 cup of warm water. Stir it well and let it sit for about 30 minutes. You want the powder to soak and start releasing all those helpful nutrients? Then pour the mix slowly around the base of your struggling plant. Make sure the soil absorbs it. That's it. No fancy tools. No chemicals.
Just one simple spice, doing what synthetic products often fail to do.
Use this mixture once a week on any weak or dying plant, whether it is a houseplant, outdoor flower, or even a vegetable plant. Within 1 to 2 weeks, you should start noticing signs of life. New leaves may appear. The stem might start standing tall again, and the overall color of the plant will look healthier and fresher. If you want to take it up a notch, here is a bonus tip. Mix the fenugreek water with a little bit of compost tea or banana peel water. That combination gives your plant a 1-2 punch. The fenugreek kicks the roots into gear, and the compost tea feeds the leaves and stems.
This trick is especially powerful for plants recovering from transplant shock, heat stress, or underwatering.
It helps them recover faster and bounce back stronger. And here is something else you should know: you do not need to do this forever. Just 1 or 2 rounds of fenugreek water is often enough to reboot your plant's system. Once it starts growing again, you can go back to your usual care routine. So if you have a plant that looks like it is done for, do not give up just yet.
Try this simple trick before tossing it in the compost bin.
You might be surprised by what happens. Plants want to grow. Sometimes they just need the right signal to get moving again. And this spice, this forgotten little ingredient in your kitchen, might be the exact thing they have been waiting for. Go check your spice rack. Grab that fenugreek. Mix up a quick batch and test it on one of your weaker plants. Then watch. You might just see a tiny green leaf pop out in the next few days. And when it does, you will know this trick works. If it helps, leave a comment and let others know how it worked for you. And do not forget to share this with a fellow gardener, someone else